Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blox Time. First, let's get you set up. Blox Time is a powerful tool designed to simplify your time tracking. It allows you to accurately record your work hours, ensuring you never miss a minute. Whether you're a freelancer or part of a large team, understanding your time usage is crucial for efficiency and billing. We'll cover the basics to get you started right away. Now, let's dive into logging your actual work hours. It's a straightforward process. Simply open the Blox Time application or visit the website. When you begin a new task, click the Start button. Make sure to select the correct project or activity from your list. Once you've finished, click Stop to save your entry. This creates a precise record of your time spent, often down to the second. Effective organization is key to maximizing Blox Time's benefits. You can easily create new projects to group your related work. Within each project, add individual tasks for more granular tracking. For instance, you might have a marketing project with tasks like social media management or content creation. This structure helps you see exactly where your time goes, providing valuable insights for future planning and resource allocation. Finally, let's explore the powerful reporting features. Blox Time allows you to generate comprehensive reports that offer a clear overview of your time usage. Simply go to the Reports section and select your desired date range. You can filter these reports by project, task, or even individual team members. Exporting your data is easy, with options like PDF or CSV, making it simple to share insights with clients or colleagues. This helps you make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.